Efficiamax will help you whether you are using diesel or you're using a petrol engine. It helps to reduce the amount of fuel you use per time. So if your car will normally use 10 liters of fuel in one day, when you begin to use Efficiamax, it will use 10 liters in perhaps 1.5 days, 2 days, or even 3 days as the case may be. If you run a diesel-powered engine, whether for your car or for your generators, Efficiamax works as well. Many companies across the world and many individuals across the world have experienced Efficiamax in their cars and their generators, and they have amazing testimonials to share. So whatever be the case, if you run a large fleet, you run a company that has branches all over the country, and you're looking for a way to cut down your cost on fuel, then Efficiamax is the product you need to add to every diesel and every petrol you use. It also works for cooking gas, for kerosene, and every kind of fossil fuel. This is a fact. If you use Efficiamax, it also works on your engine. So beyond saving you cost on the amount of fuel you use, it also works to improve the performance of your engine. People who use Efficiamax in their cars have reported that they have calmer engines, cars that sound like new cars, even though these cars have been used for many years. These are some of the things you should expect when you begin to use Efficiamax. Plus the fact that you're going to notice that if your cars or generators were fuming, those fumes will literally go away, because Efficiamax will ensure that every fuel in the tank of your car or your generator is properly burned. Remember that when you begin to see fumes released from your exhaust pipe, one of the major reasons is that there is incomplete combustion of the fuel in your tank, in your engines. I hope that by the time you use Efficiamax, you will have the same testimonials to share, because this is purely based on science. Thank you.